Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Anusha. I'm a makeup artist. So I do bridal works and non-bridal works. So you can always check my works on my Instagram. I'll link the handle in the description box below. So today I have come up with this beautiful sari drape. This is a gorgeous crepe sari. So many of you have asked in my previous silk sari drape how to wear this kind of drape. So I've explained it to you in detail how to achieve this kind of sari drape. Georgette crepe sari. So many of you have asked to drape a sari in a free fall. So I'm doing it in this sari so that you will be understanding very easily, and this is very easy than the silk sari drape which was my previous video. So if you haven't watched that silk sari drape video, please go check it out. I have mentioned every easy tricks and tips for you guys to tie a silk sari very easily and effectively. So we'll start with this sari. So I'm just taking the end of the sari. So this is the pallu which comes here. So usually the pallu has a lot of works, and the starting of the sari is like just a very plain thing. So before tying a sari, if you are going to wear heels, wear the heels before you put on the sari. So since I don't wear heels, I'm just standing barefoot. So tie the sari based on your height and insert this portion. And just insert it all around. And then make a temporary insertion here. Take all of these bits. So the design starts from here. So many of the designer sarees and work sarees, the design starts from half the way, so that the design should come exactly here. I'll show you how to do that. So now take all of this behind. Since we are going for a free fall drape, we don't want so much length here. So I'm just roughly placing this here. And then take this, bring it over here, and you will get the design exactly here. So if you're going for a very long pallu on this side, you will be getting this design somewhere behind. So this area will be plain like this. So we don't want anything like that. So this design will elegantly come this side. So I haven't secured any safety pin here yet. I'm going to secure it here first. And then you can take all this off, pull this side, make sure this area is tighter, and then secure a pin here. So now just put all of this here randomly, we'll come to that later. So now we have all this bits hanging over here. So we are going to take the pleats So remove this temporary insert and then start pleating. So since this is a Georgette crepe saree, you don't have to pin these pleats here like we did for the silk saree. So take all these pleats, arrange it properly. And then secure a pin here. Again, since this is a Georgette crepe saree, you don't have to pin anywhere here. So now check your height. So now you can check your height and then you can insert this inside it. So you will have some little bits over here. So you can insert them as well. And then take the entire saree. So you can remove this pleats. So another thing, so many of you will ask how to put these pallus on your hand. So just take this part, make something roughly like this. So make sure your border shows. And that's it guys, we are done. So another trick I'm going to tell you, so how to achieve that fishtail shape when you're posing for a photo, when you're doing this kind of a drape. So when you're standing like this, you won't get that fishtail shape. So bend your leg just a little bit like this. And there you have made a fishtail shape. Hope you guys like this video, and please do subscribe, and please don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. And this is it for this video, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, see you, bye bye.